Is the Splash of Romance package worth it? I love this.
Ready.
That's just what the doctor ordered right there.
Yeah. Nah.
Is the Touch of Romance package worth it? I don't know the answer yet. We haven't gotten on our cruise, but we're about to board our first Virgin voyage with that package. So I'll take you through the whole priority boarding and let you know what that's like, and we'll go from there. Priority boarding was definitely the biggest perk of this package for us. There were people waiting in line to board that we were able to just walk right past. The boarding process isn't different, just way earlier and with less people. So far what I've seen is the perk is just the fact that we get to board early. We're boarding at 1:45. Everybody else has to board like within the 3 o'clock hour. We got to this like lounge-ish, terminal-ish area. I don't know what you'd call this area. And we're so confused because they were boarding groups like A, B, C, D, and we had no idea what group we were in. And then they said, now boarding Splash of Romance, and a huge wave of people got up and got ready to board. So that's the group that we're in. If you do the Splash of Romance, they're just gonna call Splash of Romance package, not some boarding group. That was quite confusing for a second, but now we're good to go. Keep in mind that this also means that you can book your fitness classes and other things that book up really quick before anyone without the package can even get on the ship's Wi-Fi. We're in the elevator. Also, I've never gone on a cruise where you can just go to your room.
We're just going straight there, baby.
I love
Sorry,
this.
ready.
It is the next day, and another huge perk of the Splash of Romance package is the free, well, I guess the the juices that you technically already paid for. But this juice is $9. So if I got a juice every single day, 9 times 4, 36, 9 times 8, $72 is what we would have spent on juices if we didn't get this package. I don't even remember what this juice is. I think it's apple, lime, and beet. And then this one is a tangerine juice. They have 4 different options. And then we also have to book our time at the redemption spot. I definitely want to do that because I am noticing people are booking times for like 10 p.m. now. So book that as soon as you get on the ship. We ended up booking our 3 hours at the spa for a port day, which I highly recommend because we were basically in there alone. They have a salt room, a steam room, a hot tub, a sauna, a cold plunge, heated marble benches, and a mud room. We did everything twice with water breaks in between each thing and didn't feel rushed at all. Without the Splash of Romance package, this costs $79 on a sea day and $59 on a port day. Wow, it was amazing.
Yeah, that was a great way to spend 3 hours. That's for
Yes. Yeah, we thought 3 hours might be a little too long, but it was like the perfect amount of time. We were able to do everything about twice, pretty much.
Yeah.
And it was a good circuit. I will say, eat a pretty good breakfast before you go. I did start getting a little bit of a headache near the end, and it's just because I need food. But we did a good mix of like activity, water, and I think that really helped a lot. But
drinking water, not getting in water.
yes, but that's just what the doctor ordered right there. I am zen.
Yes.
Another perk of the Touch of Romance package that's on the way right now is the sultry snacks that you get. You get them on day 2 and 4, and then if you have a longer sailing, also day 6. They're aphrodisiacs, so I'm really excited to see what they are. They usually get delivered between 1 and 5, and you do have to be in your room to receive them. So if you don't receive them, just do what we did. We just chatted with the service people and they had them bring them over for us now. They're supposed to be aphrodisiacs, and a lot of people say they're really not that good, but I'm really excited for them. We have received the Disiacs. Here they are. Little macarons. These are decadent rose gold and Aleppo pepper macarons. Whoa, look at all that gold.
I love gold.
I think the pepper maybe is what throws it a little bit, but the cream is really good.
Yeah, it's not really a strong flavor of anything. It almost just tastes like a plain macaron, and you get a tiny bit of heat and a tiny bit of rose. I guess for me, the way that these were described in a lot of the videos I watched, not specifically from Virgin, was that these really were aphrodisiacs. Like, it specifically had things in it that are scientifically supposed to make you horny. I mean, maybe Aleppo pepper is one, I'm not sure. I kind of expected it to explain how it scientifically affects you, but I don't really care regardless, and I don't really know if I think that works.
A freaking macaron, baby.
Another day, another Disiac. This is day 4 of our sailing, so we're getting our second treat. This is probably the last one that we're gonna get. It is the last one we're gonna get.
Sinful truffles. Dive into our premium selection of truffles. Dreamy fact, all spices are considered to be a natural sensual energizer, enhancing sensory perception and helping you set the mood for your romantic voyage.
Some real aphrodisiacs today. So here is the white chocolate.
And pomegranate.
Passion fruit with cacao?
Yep.
Whoa.
Saffron and ginger.
I'm not gonna like that.
Interesting.
The filling is not very good.
That's better than the first one.
Yeah, I wanna like that one. They're so
They're
gummy.
so gummy. Yeah. Nah.
They're supposed to do something to you. It's about more than the flavor. So it's still cool. And honestly, already we haven't even done our shake for champagne, and this package has been more than worth it.
100%.
So if you're wondering, it's a yes from us. I think all that's left is our shake for champagne. Oh my gosh, we forgot about our cocktail hour under the stars. We never went.
Oh, shoot.
We did miss one of the perks. We are shaking for champagne. Here we go. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh? Whoa. What?
What the hell?
Unavailable. Okay. Well, that sucks. We got to get to the bottom of this. We'll be back. We moved. A show started, so we wanted to be in a place where you could hear us really well. James reached out to Sailor Services, and they said that they will deliver it to us here. So we're just waiting on that now.
When in doubt, just reach out to Sailor Services via chat. We've done it probably like 3 times now, and they've been incredible. The customer service is just top tier.
Yeah, and it seems like nobody else has really had a problem with this at all. Usually we're the ones that are going to have a problem with these things. It's time.
Hi.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Of course.
Thank you. Cheers. So is the splash of So is the splash of romance package worth it?
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. It has been probably one of the best purchases that we've made aside from just booking this cruise. So we highly recommend that you do it as well. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and we will be here to answer anything we can. And if you enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Later.
Ahoy.